This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Edinia Money. Charming, move-in ready, 3-bedroom basement ranch home, with a fully fenced lot. Convenient to schools and churches. Main level features beautiful hardwood floors, and newer vinyl replacement windows. Yard has so much to offer: fig trees, apple trees, raspberry bushes, blueberry bushes, and lots of flowers come spring. Buyer to verify measurements. For more information, review the details below or contact Edinia Money at 865-584-4000.